Raspberries are the most straightforward fruit to grow, but most gardeners wonder, how many raspberry canes do I need to give a good yield? Raspberries are easy to grow and produce very forgiving fruits, and despite all errors, you will still harvest a few kilos. If you have any unused area in your garden covered in grass, and you don't have time to mow, slash and plant raspberry canes. A year later, you will be enjoying raspberry jam and other recipes courtesy of your homegrown berries. How many raspberry canes do I need? Raspberries grow and multiply very fast and comprehensively. If you plant one cane this year, you will have a dozen more in the same spot in the coming year. This means you need anywhere between 1 to 10 canes if you have enough space to allow them to grow. These plants are happy plants procreating by underground runners and producing impressive numbers of healthy new plants. No farmer is sad to see all these raspberries procreating through underground runners, unless you planted your canes where you did not want them to spread. You can share your canes among friends to encourage more raspberries production. How much spacing do I need to allow raspberry bush enough space? When planting, at least 2 rows allow enough room for your raspberries to flourish. Allow 9 to 10 feet wide for growth and more elbow room for picking between the rows. When is the best time to plant raspberry canes? The best time to plant your raspberry canes is early spring. However, some can be planted in the summer if you get your canes during this season. Spring canes establish better, giving much healthier berries. Their first crop is a few berries in their first summer. Before planting, soak your canes in a solution to strengthen them. Use 1/2 teaspoon of vitamin B1 growth stimulant per quart water. Soak these canes for about 6 hours to give them a healthy start. Don't soak your canes longer than a day in the B1 solution, because they will die quickly. Plant them immediately to avoid delay and destruction. If you receive dormant canes in the mail, store them in the fridge to keep them dormant as you prepare your planting grounds. Tips to help you plant your raspberry canes. Do thorough research. Before you plant any of your raspberry canes, it's best to find out all the information you don't know about them. Find out what type of soil this plant needs, how to plant the canes correctly, how to choose the right raspberry plant, and anything else you may want to know. The research will help you decide which types of raspberries will best suit your location and needs. Soak your cane before planting. Just as we have explained, it is advisable to soak your canes for a couple of hours before planting, especially if the roots seem dry. This process kick-starts your growth process. Choose the right planting location. Raspberries grow in most soil types, but not in all locations. Avoid planting them in wet or windy areas as they do not thrive here. Give your raspberries light. Raspberries don't need full sun to thrive. They also do well in partial shade. However, if you grow them under the full sun, you will get more raspberries to produce. Compost. Use compost when planting raspberry canes. Spread a couple of inches of compost on the topsoil to help add nutrients and improve your raspberry yields. Mulch. Mulch the base of the raspberry to insulate the roots during the cold season and keep the weeds from growing. Raspberries have shallow roots, so weeding is discouraged, and if you weed, do it carefully. Mulching keeps you from weeding. Give them enough growing space. Raspberries spread very wide, that's why you should leave enough room for their growth. Give them at least 3 feet apart in rows and 8 feet apart from one plant to another. Don't plant raspberry canes in the middle of your vegetable garden, because it will soon take over, and you will lose your vegetables. Prune your raspberry plants. After fruiting, cut down the old raspberry canes and leave the new ones to continue growing. Fall fruiting varieties should be cut to the ground in early winter, or as soon as they finish fruiting to prepare them for further growth. Pruning is essential as it increases your yields in the coming season. It will take you only a few minutes, but it's an important exercise. Don't plant your raspberries near fences or other areas that will hinder your harvesting or pruning. This will encourage wild growth with less produce. Regular watering is critical. Water your raspberries right from the beginning to give them a good start. Water them 1 inch per week from spring until after harvest. Provide support. Your plants will grow tall, and supporting them will help them remain upright. Many varieties will grow as tall as you. Use bamboo or trellis support to hold up your canes and make picking easier. Conclusion. Now that you know how many canes you need to grow to get the harvest, we need to go ahead and try it. It is crucial that you not establish your raspberry patch in an area where tomatoes, potatoes, and peppers avoid verticillium wilt. These vegetables carry this disease and spread it to raspberries if you plant them in the same spot. There are two types of raspberries, summer fruiting and fall fruiting. Mixing both the summer and fall types is a great way to maximize your harvest period. Don't forget to look up new recipes to try out with your fresh raspberry produce. Use them to make desserts of all kinds, ice cream topping, layering fancy cakes with mashed berries and chocolate, bumbleberry pies. If your berries are too much, you can go ahead and freeze your raspberries so you can use them all winter. Freezing raspberries is easy. Clean the firm berries on a cookie sheet and put them in the freezer. When frozen, roll them nicely into Ziploc bags to safely keep them. The sweetest berries are from the summer and will retain their sweetness all through. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.